Hey friends, today I'm making another science experiment. This science experiment is water travels through the paper towels to another cup. So we need 1 cup of water, one big water, and 5 cups and food colors. So first we need to pour water in each.
I've ever seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you
It looks so good.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who
Now we have to wait some time. Over here, let's see what happened. Wow, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. No? Yes, it is.
I've never in my life ever seen a
Friends, it's a pocket. It's working, see? So red, by mixing yellow, skinted orange, and yellow from blue to green. Let's see. See, friends, now see the water is traveling to here to here. Like red to yellow makes orange, and yellow to blue makes green. What is this? Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. The red is coming to this cup, and the yellow is traveling with the paper towel to this cup, and it makes orange. And it's the same thing. Like blue is traveling through the paper towel, and the yellow again through the paper towel. It makes green. And it's like that when we watering plants, the root takes upwards the water to the plants. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Then everybody plants.